Henan ZOOMLINE Machinery Company Limited is a professional road equipment manufacturer with rich experience. The factory is located in the historical and cultural city of Nanyang, Henan Province, China. Since the establishment of the company, it has been continuously committed to product development and design in order to improve customer experience. The Super Mobile Continuous Mixing Plant is a new product independently developed and designed by our company based on the structure of the traditional drum mixing asphalt plant. The product has a high degree of integration, greater mobility, higher automation, and greater stability. It has following characteristics. 1. Higher production capacity. The 20 to 120 tons per hour output is available to meet the needs of different customers. 2. Fully automatic multi-fuel burners. Diesel, heavy oil, natural gas are available. 3. Touchscreen or computer automatic control system, easy to operate. 4. Siemens electrical components enhance the stability of the system. Aggregate bins. The number of bins can be customized according to customer requirements. It is frequency conversion control and a convenient operation. The belt scale can be used to improve the measurement accuracy, thereby improving the quality of the mixture. Dryer. The drying drum is made of a boiler steel plate and coated with polished stainless steel. It optimizes the internal layout, improves combustion efficiency, and reduces fuel consumption. Burner. Domestic, imported automatic multi-fuel burners. Diesel, heavy oil, natural gas are available for selection. Continuous mixer. The continuous mixer is installed at the discharge board of the drum to further improve the quality of the asphalt mixer. Baghouse filter. The post-time baghouse filter has better dust remover effect and is more environmentally friendly. Fueler supply system. The fueler supply system can be added according to customer requirement. Drag slide conveyor. The materials are transported by drag slides that lift the material to a hopper or silo.